Go.
Today we're going to shoot a short video on how to install your brand new bow buddy trailer rock guard on your brand new Outlaw Eagle boat, who we like to say is one of our fine dealers. As you can see, we have the bow buddy unboxed. You have your left and right screen, the instruction sheet, the extension tube, lower stainless bracket, the extension tube holder, your 4 bolts, 1/2 inch wrenches, 7/16 wrenches. So to get started, we'll take our mounting bracket here and our 4 bolts. Simply loosen off the nuts and the lock washers. Now you'll notice on this trailer too, as you will on a lot of trailers, there's a few things that could be considered obstructions. We have a brake controller unit here, and we have your jack, and sometimes there's also a tire holder. Some of these things may need to be moved, but you can actually put your bracket as close to the coupler as you want and it won't interfere with your truck. This here is a perfect spot. We're going to put it right here. So let's just see if we can't just slide our bolts on through. Now we'll get our stainless steel bracket. Make sure the holes are pointing forward. This little curve is pointing forward. So see if you can just get her lined up like so, and like so. And we'll hold one bolt in place. We put our lock washer on and our nut. Now we'll head over to the other side, put the other lock washer on and our other nut. And now we're held in place. We'll just snug it up. And we'll add our extra 2 nuts and washers on. Now, in case you're wondering, I went to bow buddy install school for this, and the training is as simple as what you're looking at right now. The only difference was I had a better looking bow buddy instructor. So now we'll just simply cinch up all the bolts and nuts. This is where we use our 1/2 inch wrenches. And simply snug. And like changing a tire, it helps to go from side to side. Now cinch this up tight, but be careful, you don't want to go too tight. It is stainless steel bolts. You may gall your threads. But you can still get it on fairly snug, just a little bit at a time. And there we have it. Now, we take our extension tube, we place it in the bracket, and we secure it with a locking pin. You'll notice the T-bracket here is loose. We have a few holes drilled. Depending on how deep your trailer is, you may adjust this up or down. So we'll take our screen and we'll see if this is going to be proper height or not. And it looks like it is, so right now what I'll do, I'll just insert the tube in, lock it in, and while we're here we'll take our 7/16 wrenches and we'll do the same thing. We will snug up the T-bar. Now I'm putting this in top first, the other side bottom first. As you can see, it doesn't matter, but you may find success doing it one way or the other. Insert it in the way that is most comfortable and works for you. Get her in, the pin locks. And now we take and we slide our strings together. It may be a little snug, but that's fine. We want it snug. We want those rocks to bounce off. And there you have it, folks. Your mounted bow buddy. It's that easy.
Very nice.